Well, good morning and welcome back to the channel. You join us in Alcudia Old Town on a Sunday, which means one thing, it is market day. So it's really busy. We're going to go and get some tasty snacks, see if you can buy some different things out and about. If you enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button down below. Without further ado, my friends,
let's roll.
Let's roll. Yeah, so we're just on the outskirts of the market at the moment. I've already spied some tasty looking snacks inside there. It's making me hungry. I haven't had breakfast. We skipped breakfast today because it was a bit of a late one yesterday. So I'm a bit hungry, to be honest. I'm gonna head down to the bottom end of it, turn around straight up the middle and see what we find. I'm sure it's gonna be expensive. Let's hope we don't need the toilet. That's a massive queue.
Als je moet geloven, als je denkt dat wij hem hebben gestolen, dan gaan we
Those watermelons are massive. What do you think of them?
They are huge.
He's allowed some. Are they yummy?
They are delicious.
Yeah. Are you getting some? You can take a pot.
Yeah. Yes, please. They are delicious.
Got some nuts.
No, that's it. Thank you.
And they just take some. Thank you. So, Mrs. has got some olives. I've got some nuts and some Iberian ham.
Here you go.
Let's have a look. Yoink! On a hot day, bit of watermelon, lovely. That was some juicy watermelon, oh my gosh. A little dragon fruit with a spoon. This is definitely a varied breakfast. Definitely qualifies as random. So you can get a dragon fruit with a spoon just down there. Let's give it a taste. Very nice. I also found some nuts as well. Come on, this way. That is one busy market. We've managed to jump into Sombrero. Gonna get some tapas and a nice cold beer. Cheers, everybody. Salud. Yeah, we've ordered a bit of a tapas selection. I've gone for some patatas bravas, some iberico ham, got some chicken wings, some mozzarella sticks, some onion rings and some prawns. As always, we're just going to pick at a little bit of everything and see what it tastes like. Okay then, got a bit of a selection going on. Let's give it a taste test. I think I'm going to have to start with a good old-fashioned chicken wing. The question is it a dark bowl or is it a light bowl? Is it frozen or is it not? Ooh. It's alright. Really good actually. So again, we've don't know if the camera's going to be able to pick it up, but it's a really oily one, which signifies it's been sliced and then oiled over. It's alright, it's good. This is nice. I had no idea. Market. Let's compare the ham that I just picked up from the market to the one from the restaurant. So this is from the restaurant. You can see it's got that intermuscular fat, and that's from the market, which looks a bit bland to be honest. Let's give it a taste. Restaurant one. So the restaurant definitely wins that market one. I'm not too sure. Hopefully when I get it back to the hotel they'll have to have a better look at it, but definitely not what I was expecting. This is much nicer. inside, not that mushed up. That's nice, that is. I just spotted an olive. Very salty. Frog. Not as nice as the ones the other day. Salud. Okay, gonna finish this food off, chill for a bit, and I'll let you know what we think when we're outside. We're already outside. There you know. We'll summarise it when we're done. I could get used to this Spanish lifestyle, sitting outside in a nice old town, bit of tapas and a beer. When do we move into Spain? Can we move to Spain?
If it was a little bit cooler some days, then yes, but I guess so, as long as we have a pool.
As long as we have a pool, apparently we can move to Spain. What about school?
Skip school.
What did you say?
All school summer holidays.
What do you think, Mummy? Could you move to Spain?
No.
It's too hot.
Yes.
What if we had a pool?
No.
Mummy said mucho caliente. It's too hot. Yeah, so that was Sombreros. It was pretty nice, to be fair. Came to 120 euros, which isn't bad, all things considered. 4 of us are fed and watered. Yeah, really enjoyed it. The owner said if we pop back, first round's on him, which is always fun. It's nice, probably because we tipped him, but yeah, decent, to be fair. Really enjoyed that. We're going back into the carnage now, have a little look. So if you can pick up some souvenirs. Come on, this way. Oh, 8 out of 10. Really nice. We only had the tapas. We didn't have anything mad in there, but what we did have was very nice. Everyone enjoyed it.
So far I have bought a purse with a matching dress and a very squeaky doggy that squeaked a lot. Very squeaky. Thumbs up. I think they're cute.
Yeah, I can't wait to hear that doggy squeaking all the blooming time. True story. After a long day at the market in the burning heat, what better way to relax than at the swimming pool? Maybe the swimming pool bar is this way. Come on.
and we have decided to chill in the hot tub.
That's right, Alcudia Old Town Market. I must say, it was fantastic. The smells, the sights, the colours, massive thumbs up, but you need to be prepared if you're going there. It is red hot at this time of the year in August. It is so full of people. It felt like the entire of Mallorca was at that market. We went to the little restaurant called Sombreros, had some tapas there. It was very nice indeed. Massive thumbs up from me. So yeah, we're going to enjoy a little bit of chill out time in the hot tub. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching.